Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Grilling with Rubes, and a warm welcome to those of you tuning in for the first time. Thanks for joining us. Today I'm going to be making hot honey crispy chicken sandwiches with a side of smoky mac and cheese. Stick around, I know you're going to love it. So let's get grilling. So we're going to start out first with our fried chicken, and I've got vegetable oil in my Dutch oven. And I've got this to about 375 on the grill. We're just going to double check that, and that is ready to go. So first off, I've got in here, I have the chicken that's been marinating in about a cup and a half of buttermilk. I've also added some a quarter cup of pickle juice, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder as well. I've also flattened out my chicken breast, pounded these down. So that's been marinating for about a couple hours. You can do it anywhere from a few hours to overnight. And then right here we've got our dry ingredients, which we're going to start to mix up. I've got about a cup and a half here of flour, and then about a cup of cornstarch mixed together. And then I'm going to put some of our other dry ingredients in here. 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, got a teaspoon of onion powder, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, also got a teaspoon of dried mustard. We're going to add in there about a teaspoon of salt and about a quarter teaspoon of pepper. So we're going to mix all these ingredients together. All right, so now for our wet ingredients, we've got 3 eggs and 1 more egg. And right here I have a cup of buttermilk. And then lastly, we're putting in about 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We're going to whisk everything together. All right, looking good. We're going to try to see if we can do 2 at a time. So we're doing 4 sandwiches. So we're going to drain this off. First, we're going to put this into our dry ingredients. Okay, we're going to get that nice and coated. Shake off a little excess, and then right into our wet ingredients. Okay, and then straight into the oil. And slowly put that in. There we go. Wow, that's a nice thick one. We're going to turn them over. They're looking good. So those 2 are done. So for our hot honey sauce, what we've got in this pan on our Blackstone is about 2 cups of honey, 3 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce, and then we've got about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We're going to mix everything together. We've got our Blackstone on a very low heat. We don't want to boil this, we just want to simmer it. Now we're going to start our smoked mac and cheese. And so what I did early this morning was I have 3 different kinds of cheese, 8 ounces each of sharp cheddar, and I've got Gouda, and then this is jalapeno Havarti, and I smoke these inside the grill with my smoke tube for about an hour and a half to 2 hours to get a good smoke flavor to it. You can smoke them anywhere from 45 minutes to 2 hours and beyond. So we've got these. I'm going to cut these into cubes. So small cubes so they'll melt a lot quicker. I'm going to try one of these. Cheese really absorbed a lot of that smoke. Wow, that's great. Now we've got our Gouda. We've got a little bit of spice with our jalapeno Havarti. Very nice, look at that. Nice and thick and syrupy. Got a hot skillet on medium. I'm going to put in about a quarter cup of butter. Okay, once that's completely melted, we've got here about a quarter cup of flour. Let that go for about a minute. And then we've got about a half a cup of milk, put in a little bit. We're going to start putting in our cheeses now. It's looking good. We got a little bit of garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of pepper. That is looking awesome right there. Love that. Look at how cheesy that looks. Panko breadcrumbs mixed with some butter. We're just going to lay that on the top. Put this mac and cheese right inside. Okay, we'll let that go for about 15-20 minutes. Okay, let's get the blacks on. We're going to toast the buns now. Okay, 4 sandwiches, and we've got brioche buns. There we go. Let's take a look at that. Wow, got a nice browning on that. Let's take that over and put it here. Looks tasty. Let's build our hot honey fried chicken sandwich. I'm going to start out with 2. Get it right into the hot honey. And I like some banana peppers on there, just to kind of give it a little bit of a sweet and tangy flavor. Hot honey, sweet goodness. Them off the side here. Oh my. And there you have it. Our hot honey fried chicken sandwich with a side of smoked mac and cheese. Alright, so it's time to taste the hot honey chicken sandwiches, so let's go in. First off, let's try some of that mac and cheese. I've been dying to try that. Definitely the crunch of that panko, absolutely delicious. Let's go in for our sandwich. Have a napkin ready. We got the great crunch. Got a little bit of the banana pepper. One more bite. That's perfectly cooked chicken. I'm gonna clean up now. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, enjoy what you're seeing, please hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, watch for my upcoming videos. See you next time.